Alright guys, I got all my parts laid out. Got my passenger, driver, both master lines to the pressure control box, the main line all the way to the back, got my main hose, driver's side, passenger side. I was going over everything, and I don't know how we effed up at the store, and I got the wrong size fucking fitting for this line, for the large one to the master. So I'm gonna have to go back. But as far as the smaller line, this is what I'm doing. This is gonna go into the master on this side. Do the same thing and put it on this side. The adapter right here, line. There we got. And then this is the large line to the master. But then we got the wrong one. I have to go back. Alright, so then we got our driver's side hose. Got our driver's side line. They didn't have any lines in stock, so that's why I had to get these smaller ones and just piece them together. But this is the driver's side front, passenger right here. This is the adapter. Line. And then we just got a little 3/16 union for the hose. Same thing with this main line. I just gotta I got a couple unions. Just put them together, run them. This one runs back to this hose right here. Goes up here, right there. These will be used somewhere else up front. But then here's my line. My driver's side rear, and then this is my passenger side rear. And that's it. That's what we got going here. And then we got our union. But I'm gonna put these all together, and then I'm gonna go back and get the correct lines for this large one. I'm gonna start running everything, piecing everything together. Show you guys what I have in a little.